Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking down the technical foundation and clear goals. Run a full site crawl and fix indexability problems so search engines can access your pages. Once done, install Analytics and Search Console and define 3-5 measurable SEO goals to guide decisions. Then do focused keyword research, mapping one primary keyword to each target page so content has purpose. Make sure to resolve redirects, canonical tags, and robots rules immediately. These first actions let you build traffic without fighting basic errors. Now you execute detailed on-page work that moves rankings. Rewrite titles, metas, H1s, and URLs to match user intent and your chosen keyword, but avoid keyword stuffing. Expand content where needed, aim for useful depth and scannable structure with subheads and lists so users stay longer. Once done, optimize images, enable compression, and push mobile responsiveness to reach high lighthouse scores. Add schema for products, articles, or FAQs to improve SERP display and click-through rates. These steps compound gains from your technical setup. You finish by amplifying signals and establishing a feedback loop. Start targeted link building. Reach out for relevant mentions, guest posts, and digital PR to increase authority. Then set automated rank tracking and monthly technical audits so you can measure progress against your goals. Make sure to review conversions, not just rankings, so you optimize for business value. If rankings drop, check crawl logs, canonical and duplicate content issues, and recent manual actions. Addressing those quickly usually restores performance and prevents long losses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.